Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. One brother complained my mobile phone Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, but ringtone volume very slow. Any people call me and not hearing ringtone volume. Ringtone sound very poor. I will increase my mobile phone Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus ringtone volume. This video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. Now, first your mobile phone display and search setting icon. When get setting icon, then click this option. This interface showing your mobile phone display. Now, search setting and type ring ring and wait. Already showing this interface your mobile phone display. Now ringtone option showing. Click ringtone option. Now ringtone option volume and touch your finger and increase and decrease mobile phone ringtone option. Hopefully your problem is solved. Thank you watching my video. Do not forget subscribe.